Hello guys, and today we're going to crack open the pack of the first edition Crucible War expansion of the Flesh and Blood TCG. Let's do this right now. Wow, we have the Launching Press rare foil. We also have the Cindering Foresight rare and the Barraging Bighorn rare. As always, if you want to buy these cards, there's going to be a link down in the description to my eBay so you can buy them. Thanks for watching this video, and remember that it's really fun to crack open some Flesh and Blood packs.